We were approached by a major pen manufacturer. They had a pen refill that goes into a retractable pen, and they designed it, and then they bought a very large, substantial amount, and the dimensions weren't just perfect. And so when they actually would changes and everything and molding and such, the refills would wedge in the pen body and not retract. And so they were trying to save all these refills. So we developed a really low-cost, economical machine to reshape these the spring perches on the pen so that they would slide in the pen barrel. We only had to bring them down a very small amount to make them work properly, but we built an economical machine with using old technology. We used it was only supposed to be a temporary machine, so we went back to old technology, and we used a plate Geneva drive, and that saved thousands of dollars just by using a plate Geneva drive. And then we did a triple pocket index, so we did 3 parts at a time, every index, so we brought the high rate up. So they were able to go through the refills at a very quick rate and resize these refills in just a couple months, and it saved them a lot of money. We've done work with this pen company over the years, and we built several pieces of equipment for them. We built pen assembly machines, pen printing, pad printing machines. We built packaging machines, bulk packing. We built a very large pen assembly machine that did 160 parts per minute. It's probably one of the world's fastest retractable pen assembly machines.
We're here to build you the best automation machine we can.
We want to solve your problem.